Welcome to Pocket Woman Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today is a Lockout, Tag Out, Lock Tuesday. The day we feature the locks that keep our workers safe. Now, I've been inspired to do a Lockout, Tag Out, Lock Tuesday. So I was watching Cherokee and Keyless Entry do their Lockout, Tag Out, Lock Tuesdays, and I thought I'd like to participate. I haven't done it for a while, and haven't even practiced a lot for a long time. Haven't picked up one. So this is the one I'm going to go for. This one was given to me by Mur-Lock 68. That's our bidding. Pretty narky highs and lows there. Now we know this 7440 is all standard pins. Bit of a spring on the core there. Bit stuck and sticky too. Dead shackle, you can pull that one out. So what I was thinking was raking. You can rake standard pins. That's what makes them different from security pins. You don't get any feedback. I think they make them harder to pick, but because they don't have any security pins in them, they are susceptible to raking. And the rakes I'm going to use is this Reflections kit. I got it from LocksmithsToolbox as a bonus for buying some stuff. Now this is pretty cool. Reflections. Now I haven't seen anyone use these, so they look like they're more zipping kind of rakes. So I'm going to give it a go on this. So I'm going to go bottom of the keyway because it's a pretty narky keyway. And I was looking at the key and I was thinking, this sort of matches that, doesn't it? Let's go a bit closer. So that's sort of like that. So if I go like that, zip, 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 might be able to set those two pins and then come in with another little rake and set those. So that's the plan. Let's give it a go. Bottom of the keyway, try not to bind it up, and try that method. So in we go. Get those pins, sort of give it a bit of a rock, and a zip. Light tension when you're doing raking, because you want to be bouncing them pins, so they need light tension so that they will bounce up. Alright, let's give that one a go. And I've got this one, it's like a bow guitar. And then there's this one, it's like a half diamond. I'm going to go in, have a feel if anything's actually set. Sort of single pin picket at the top of that. Can't really feel anything actually. Let's turn it around. Ooh, the keyway doesn't like it like that. Getting stuck. No, definitely don't like it like that. Okay. Don't know. Let's try them. Got my handles on from Series 3, very comfortable. Stuck. This is like the NEMESIS lock for me. I've tried to pick this for a year now and gotten nowhere. So Kiwis, as soon as you go down deeper, it just grabs. Got me again. Alright, let's go zippy again. Does anything said? Right, well, I'm going to have to say it, people, but, on reflection, one can say. I still can't pick this lock. Thank you, Mur-Lock 68. Go check out his channel. Check out all the videos in the Loto Lock Tuesday series. You'll find them on my channel. I've got a playlist for those that are participating in the series. I watch their videos, load them onto that playlist. It's 2020 Loto Lock Tuesday series. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay legal, stay happy. Temptation is everywhere.